Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deborah and welcome back to another 3-2-1 video in which I give you words, phrases and short sentences that I feel are beneficial or helpful when traveling to Ghana. Before we get into today's video, as always, if you haven't already, don't forget to click the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up and leave a emoji in the comment section if you want to see more of these types of videos. So today I'm going to be translating good evening in Twi. There is a long and a shorter version, and I'm also going to tell you how to respond depending on who is asking you that question because it differs for each type of person. Okay, so good evening, long version. Memawo adwo. Memawo adwo. Memawo adwo. Memawo adwo. Short version, Maadwo. 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 So memawo. Me is me, my, or I. Ma is to give. Wo is you or your. So memawo adwo, I give you evening, or like I give you an evening's greeting. I give you an evening's greeting. Memawo adwo. Memawo adwo. Shortened version, Maadwo. Maadwo. And how you would respond to that. So, depending on who is asking you the question, if it is an older man that is asking you that question, an older man, an elderly man, you would respond by saying, Yaa Agya. Yaa Agya. Yaa Agya. If it is an elder or older female, it would be Yaa Enna. Yaa Enna. Yaa Enna. If it is someone that is your peer or your sibling, it would be Yaa ɛnua. Yaa ɛnua. Ɛnua literally means sibling. Yeah, sibling. Yaa ɛnua. Yaa ɛnua. And if it's someone younger than you, your child, someone else's child, someone younger than you, it would be Yaa Oba. Yaa Oba. Yaa Oba. Oba is a child. Yaa Oba. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys on my next video.